Hello everyone, this is the Rebirth of SaneFitness. Now here, starting my channel up again. I'm going to be teaching you guys tips on how to lose weight. And there's a lot of easy things that you guys could do. Such easy things that will help you guys lose weight without even trying. Now if you guys want to step it up, then I'm going to share with you guys what you guys need to do. Hello everyone, this is the Rebirth of SaneFitness. This is your boy Sane, and my name is Esteban. I'm going to be sharing some information for you guys and secrets that I learned along the way of my journey as a bodybuilder. So I'm going to give you guys some shortcuts and secrets, tips, whatsoever, whatever you guys need that will help you guys out and achieving your guys' goals as fast as you guys possibly can without wasting any time whatsoever. And there's ways to lose weight without even having to work out. So you guys could implement this on a lot of different things, whatever kind of goals you guys have. So let's go over this topic here. I do recommend you guys at least going for at least a 30-minute walk in the mornings 3 times a week to start. Make sure you guys are drinking plenty of water. I would recommend, let's say you guys want to go or burn fat or do some cardio, right? I would recommend doing it early in the morning. As soon as you guys get up, go ahead and just drink a cup of water, go for a half-hour walk 3 times a week, and you guys will see the dramatic change as in weight loss at the end of the week just by doing that simple step. Tip number 2, everyone. Tip number 2 that you guys really need to do is really important, and when it comes down to nutrition, I do recommend that you guys start looking for, if you guys like adding condiments on your food whatsoever, chicken breast, or when it comes to salads and anything that you just want to add to it so it taste a little better, you guys got to keep in mind that you guys got to look out for something like sugar-free, low fats, or cut out juices and period. You know, that's not, it has a lot of sugar inside of it, and you guys wouldn't even think that. There's drinks out there like, I don't know, sports drinks. For instance, there's the V8 juice or other juices that will say, oh, that's mixed in with vegetables and fruits, and, whatever, you know. But if you guys look at the very back of the container, it will tell you how much percent of a juice it has, how much percent juice it has inside, and the sugars are so high up. Like for every cup, oh man, you're looking at these like 30 something to 40 grams of sugar per cup. Oh man, imagine how many cups you have per day. Wow. So just go ahead and cancel juices and look for sugar-free or low-fat items in the stores if you guys can. There's a lot of imitation stuff out there, like cheese, no, not cheeses, well, there is low-fat cheese, and there's a lot of different kinds of stuff, and there's a lot of imitation stuff. Like, have you guys ever tried making like pancakes with protein mixed with water? Like, instead of using milk and the actual, I don't know, it's just a lot of mixed stuff, and people add a ton of syrup in their pancakes. There's a lot of other stuff out there, a lot of different kind of syrups too that you guys can use that taste just as good and does not affect your diet. Like, you guys can have almost literally just almost as much as you guys want. So condiments, it's a very important thing when it comes down to losing weights. If you guys can, I sometimes, when I want to eat, like, let's say on my cheat days, I want to eat some french fries, I literally just cut out the ketchup. I mean, if that will save me 1 pound from gaining at the end of the week, well, I'm gonna cut out ketchup by then, you know, for that whole entire week. So you guys will start to get used to it eventually. Your body will start to get used to it. I would say cut out a bit at a time. I started off, I was eating like a Snickers bar like every single day, chocolate bar. I was eating a lot of stuff, and a few months ago, last year, I was weighing around 200 pounds, and I lost what is it, from 200 pounds I went to 163, I think I did. But that's because I got sick and I couldn't work out, and a lot of stuff happened. I actually stopped working out for around 2 years, two something years. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a bit, like just some photos here in the corner, anywhere, and so you guys can see like where I came from, like how I started, and then before I stopped, when like I actually almost quit it, and I'm coming back. I just started about 2 months ago, guys, so take it easy. But I'm making some dramatic results and changes. I would like to share some of those photos too, so you guys can see within like a 2 months time how much results I've made. And it's all because I've been following these steps, these exact steps I'm actually sharing with you. These are the steps I use to help me, and there's a lot of secrets I wouldn't want to share with you guys, but that's another video. One thing I do recommend is watch your portions. You do not want to how would I say, okay, let's say I'm making a oatmeal in the morning, and you know, oatmeal was fine, but what are you adding in the oatmeal? That's what really matters. I myself would have like an oatmeal, like one serving, two servings, and I would add some bananas and some almond milk. If you have almond milk, I recommend the unsweetened almond milk. That's like literally one of the best milks you guys can buy. And oh man, you could tell me drink the whole gallon of milk, and I can almost promise you that I'm gonna keep the same shape, same results, and even better because I'm getting the nutrients out of the milk. So I would go straight out with almond milk unsweetened for this second step. Alright everyone, so tip number 3. When it comes down to working out and helping your body out, losing weight with the other 2 steps or other 2 tips I actually taught you, it is for beginners, so I don't expect any advanced or intermediate people to find this new. But for the people that are actually just starting, this will actually save you years and a lot of time, and it will make a lot of results really quick. So if you guys are coming from a situation where you guys are really like in need to lose weight really quick, and also make results, these actually will help you out. Okay, so I need you guys to go ahead and work out a minimum of 3 times a week, an hour long. That's less than a movie. Like if you guys can sit down and watch a movie for a whole hour, 2 hours, or 3 hours, and you guys want to make an external change to your body and transform it to, I mean, come on, you take your body everywhere you go, and I'm sure that at times you guys are like, oh man, I wish I had this body. Oh, look at that person, this person has, how did he do this? Or why is this girl, or why is this guy, how are they losing weight so fast? How do they make, I've been working out for 3 years, 4 years, and he did it in a year and a half. How did he do it? Well, that's why you guys are here. So go ahead and help your body out with working out at least 3 times a week. That's, I mean, you guys could do that with like, what? Basic workouts, push-ups, sit-ups, dips, if you have stairs, go ahead and climb the stairs that you guys have. Do like any kind of movements that would actually burn your muscle. Like I know, like when you first start, even push-ups, when I started, I was even having a hard time doing 5 or 10 push-ups. Now I could do nearly like 100 push-ups or more in one set. So, and then I do train. I don't just do the push-ups, I do them in a certain way where it would actually activate the muscle and burn it. Even like minutes after you're done working out or doing that set, your muscles are still burning their own fire, and you're just constantly burning for at least 5 minutes long. So I'm still building muscle, and I am literally done working out, and I'm still just gaining results. But that's another video. I'll go ahead and share those information later on. Now, these tips that I'm sharing with you guys right now is not to really, well, if you, like I said, if you guys implement these things and you guys are training already, and you guys want to train and build muscle and do these things, I'll let you know a little secret later. But no, what I'm sharing with you guys right now is not, I'm not saying, oh, by next week you're gonna have like another pound, or because I literally, you only gain like 1 pound of muscle per month, maybe 2 depends if you, like if you work out like 7 days a week, and then maybe but I would say a pound a month. But these tips are just for you to use so you guys can lose and see dramatic changes, weight loss as fast as possible without hurting yourself internally, impacting your health, or because you don't want to lose too much weight. It could be pretty critical and could cause health problems. So take it slow and do not take your time. This is all patience. Don't think that a year later you're gonna look like I don't know, someone from Mr. Olympian or whatever it is, you know, like from the Olympia show. You're not gonna look like that in a year. It's gonna take years. But just be patient and then do these things, and then you guys will see the changes within a week. Alright, last thing, guys, I just wanted to say, if you guys are struggling losing weight, but you guys are losing muscle at the same time, or if you guys are gaining too much weight but you want to build muscle, I mean, you're gonna build muscle if you're gaining weight and you're working out. Oh yeah, you will. But sometimes, well, that is the right thing to do. Like, there is a cycle that you have to do yearly: gain weight, lose weight, gain weight, lose weight. But sometimes you just want to be stable. And so on the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to lose weight and build muscle at the same exact time. So if you guys like this content, fitness content, and want to hear much more so you guys can learn and maybe one day teach all your friends the stuff that you learned, go ahead and please like and subscribe once again, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out.